natin guys. Yan. Tikman natin guys. Guys, magandang araw. Magluluto tayo ng ito ang ingredients guys. Yan. Repolyo. Carrots. Maliit na carrots. Itlog. Oil. Carrots guys, kudkurin natin. Ang repolyo guys, hiwain natin ng pinong-pino guys. Yan na guys, pinong-pino na ang repolyo guys. Isang bowl guys, ilalagay na natin tong itlog. Yan ako magbiyak ng itlog guys, magbiyak. Ilalagay na natin ang pinong-pino na repolyo. Ibatil na natin guys. Ilalagay na natin yung carrots. Yan guys. Napaka-healthy nito guys. Batil lang guys. Mekos lang guys. Mekos guys. Mix lang yan guys. Yung seasoning guys. Guys, konti lang. Yan. Mekos. Mix. Natapon guys. Guys, apoy-apoy na ang ating guys. Edible guys. Oil guys. Yan. Hintayin natin kumulo yan guys. Itong natin guys is karton at papel guys. Yan. Oil guys. Isasalin na natin tong itlog na may vegetables. Yan guys. Gandang tingnan guys. Perfect. It's a perfect egg. Scramble with vegetables. Yan guys. Mekos na yan sa oil guys. Mekos sa oil yan guys. Sarap na yan guys. Yan, ganyanin natin guys. Ganyan lang yan. Yan, hintayin nating mag brown ang bottom niya guys. Ganda ng panggatong guys oh. Baliktad na natin guys. Yan. Baliktad na natin. Oh, perfect cake. Yan guys, napakagaling ng panggatong ko guys. Karton. At luto na yan guys. Pwede na yan kainin. At ito ang ganap sa kusina ko guys. My simple kitchen of the poorest. Don't forget to subscribe my channel guys. Like and share. Watch and comment. And you can hit the bell. And you can comment down below. Bye guys. Babush. This is the amazing scrambled egg with vegetables, with panggatong na magic. Yan guys. Yan. Na natin guys. Yan. Tikman nyo guys. Sarap guys.